Hello everyone, welcome to D4Drupal channel. Today we are going to see about how to run some set of scenarios in your Behat testing. So already we have seen how to run all the feature file or how to run particular feature file. So if you have a scenario like from one file if you want to run only one particular scenario and another file if you want to run one particular scenario combinedly. So in that case, you can use this way. Or if you are doing development and you are creating new scenario, if your feature file is too long, so whenever you run your feature file, it will be running all the scenarios and then only it will come to your scenario. So during development phase also you can use it. After that you can remove it. So that's what we are going to do now. So that is called tagging here. So you just have to tag your scenario with any name. Consider this scenario outline. So let me tag this with new. Okay, you can give any name. And if you go to Behat testing, so you have to give hyphen tag and then new. When you run new, so it will run only the scenario which is tagged with new. So you can see scenario outline alone is running. So scenario outline. If I tag this one with new, and then again I'm running this. So you can see the first one is also running and the second one also running. So you can use the new tag name in another file also. In that case also it will work. And this is how to run particular scenario in your Behat testing. And that's it about today's video. If you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.